Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new hair trimmer from TPOB, the Troll. Okay, the question is, how good is this trimmer? Does it cut through bulk? And does it make a sharp lines? I've seen some Pete the Happy Barber unbox it and J Blends. And now it's time for me to unbox it too. So, this is the box. On this box, it's written got 180 minutes operating time, 3 interchangeable faceplate, cover, with a DLC deep tooth blade, super torque motor, and on the back, got 6,800 RPM. Now, let's open it. As you can see, this is the manual, and these are the interchangeable faceplates. When I got it, it comes with this one, the pink one or the green one, when I newly got it, but I changed it to a black one. And a screwdriver. And this one also, the green one. And you got a little brush, charging cable. Okay, nothing else inside. No, nothing else. Okay. Put this one aside. So we put this one back again. Okay, now. Yes. Okay, charging port. Five watts. Okay, this is the EXO TPOB blade. And as you can see from the intro, Babyliss blade can fit. Babyliss blade can fit. So you can see the motor. Not really, you can see the motor because there is a black something covering the motor. It looks nice, man. Really nice. So this is the blade. 살짝 맞추면서 볼륨. it's very simple, which I really, it's very simple, which I really like. There are some very hard to open. See that? Very simple. So, the video you saw at the beginning of this video, you know, with the Babyliss blade, and I made an RPM test. It was 10,000 RPM. So I was just playing with this trimmer. I tried some modifications, and yeah, I got 10,000 of it. Babyliss blade works with this trimmer. And I tried also ceramic blade with this trimmer. It works. Once again, if you want to buy this trimmer, go to amazonus.com, Amazon US, and you will find this trimmer. If you want to buy from the website, I'm going to leave a link on the description below so you can go to the website and buy. When you are on the website, you can use my discount code ADO15 and you will get a 15% off discount. So that's it for the unboxing, and see you next time.